Can you solve this tricky maths puzzle? You have to find the value of a and make this equation true. A plus b is equal to a multiplied by b is equal to a divided by b. Can you try to solve it once and comment your answer in the comment section and let me know how did you solve this. In this video, I will solve this equation for you and find the value of a and prove that a plus b is equal to a multiplied by b is equal to a divided by b. Let's start with our solution. I am Payazi, your brain challenging game buddy. You are in the right place for your brain exercise and do the puzzle riddle along with me. Hit the red subscribe button and bell icon so you don't miss my new video. Let's start with our puzzle answer. Let's write it down. It's a plus b is equal to a multiplied by b is equal to a divided by b. So from this equation, b cannot be equal to 0 because if the divisible b is equal to 0, then this will go undefined. It's not a defined value. B cannot be 0 at the denominator. Okay, let's try to solve this. Let's combine, let's make this as two part. ab is equal to a divided by b. I can write a multiplied by b is equal to ab is equal to a divided by b. So b will go on the left side. A b square is equal to a. This is our one equation. Okay, let's solve another equation. This equation, this one and this one. So a plus b is equal to a divided by b. Please bear with my handwriting, it's not that much good. So it is a b plus b square is equal to a. So we got our second equation. This is the second. By the way, I am using digital writing pad right now. I have placed the link in the description to get your own and will also put the link in comment for your easy access. So from the first equation, we can say that b can be value 1 or minus 1, because if we make the b as 1, then a will be equal to a, which is correct. Or if b is equal to minus 1 square is 1, which is positive. So we can say that a will be equal to a. So let's do one thing. Let's put the value of b on the left hand side here. Okay, so a equal to a into 1 plus 1 square is equal to 1 is equal to a. So this will become a plus 1 is equal to a. How that is possible? This is not possible. A plus 1 is equal to a. 1 plus 1 cannot be equal to 1. It is 1 plus 1 will be 2. So a plus 1 is equal to a. It's wrong. This is wrong. So this answer b is equal to 1 is wrong. So let's put the minus 1 here. Okay, we will put it here in this equation. So a minus 1 plus again minus 1 square is equal to a. So this will become minus a and it will be plus 1 is equal to a. Okay, so now we are coming to some value, right? We are finding some value for the a. So let's move this a on this side. So we will have 1 equal to 2a, because minus will move to that side, it will become plus, so it will be 2a. So we have a equal to half, which is equal to 0.5, and from here we see that b is equal to -1. So we found our value, right? A is equal to 0.5 and b equal to -1. Shall we put this value on our original equation? This one, a plus b is equal to a into b is equal to a divided by b. Let's do it. So let me put a plus b is equal to a multiplied by b is equal to a divided by b. Okay, we got our as 0.5 plus -1. Okay, so this will become 0.5. Now bigger value is minus, so it will become minus. Okay, now again 0.5 multiplied by -1, which is equal to minus 0.5. This is multiply. Okay, the next one is 0.5 divided by -1, so this will also will become 0.5 in minus. So hence we proved our value. Answer to this equation will be 0.5 and a will be equal to 0.5 and b is equal to -1. Hope you enjoy this puzzle solution. If you want more videos, do click on subscribe button and bell icon so you don't miss any of my new puzzle video solution. Thank you very much. Bye bye.